Well, here I am in the pit of despair. I'm here by myself. I crammed a pickup load front to back, left to right, bottom to top. Every square inch of that truck was packed. Every time we get into a project and we're in this kind of limbo between finishing it and still working on it, you know, we have things like coffee table books and sippy cups in the same room with air compressors and table saws. So when you're in a space this small, it's a little bit crammed. My goal for today is to haul some of the stuff out that we're not using and start installing some of the stuff I brought. And slowly I've found as you do that and throw garbage out the front door, pretty soon everything is tucked away where it's supposed to be. You're left with a little pile of tools in the middle of the room. Put them in the shed and we can cross this one off the list. The nice thing about working by yourself is you could start 2 hours early and go take a long lunch. So I'm from Chicago, the Chicagoland area, if you can't tell. When people think of Chicago, they often think of pizza, Lou Malnati's, Gino's East, you know, Polish sausage. It's a food town, you know. This place has some of the best pizza I've ever eaten. We're in southeastern Kentucky, who'd have thought? This, because your boy's trying to lose 200 pounds, is cauliflower crust, gluten-free. Despite how it sounds, it is delicious. So I'm gonna eat it. I really like their pizza a lot. We've been coming here for years. This place been here for probably, I don't know. It's old. It's been here for a long time. And they keep building on. It's getting bigger and bigger. You could camp out here, and right up the hill from the restaurant, there's a kind of world-renowned rock climbing area. So a lot of people come in, they camp here. They have showers and things like that. They have a rock climbing store. They got a lot of other stuff. We really like it. We've been coming here for 15 years. And if you need a picture of how much I like it, I just drove 38 minutes to get here, and now I'm going to go about the same distance the opposite direction past the cabins. I think it's about an hour and 20-minute drive from here to Lowe's. Pick up some patio furniture. We'll come back and get some more done. That ain't going nowhere. There it is. So it doesn't look like much now, but I've got this big farm sink with these two washboard sides that's going to drop under here. This cabin, if you've been watching, is wheelchair accessible, so this helps quite a bit. A little bit lower sink and room to roll a chair under and reach. Pretty straightforward, kind of cool. Made this with scraps like everything else. We painted it to match the trim. Not much else to say about it. It'll be next trip when I get the sink put on. I left this cut out so you could reach in there and plumb it, and I've got a panel painted to match that'll screw right over it and hide it. If it looks unsightly or there's a problem, I think what we'll do is just put a curtain right here. I know if you are in a wheelchair, you probably don't like that because you can't see what's back there. You're not willing to just roll in and jam your knees, but you could check and know that there's nothing back there. Do the best we can. Made these cookies to go on the wall, and we cut them all here. Then I took them home, sanded them, and put a coat of varnish on them. So I'm just using construction adhesive to stick them to the wall. I lucked out because we cut these all between 2 and 2 1/4, and this gun shoots 2 1/2. So a little glue, just shooting it to the drywall. The glue is what's going to hold it. Kind of sucks. Got cords tangled in my feet. Doors closing. If you hadn't noticed, there's no room in this cabin. Must be getting windy outside, or there's a ghost. Man, how much you guys can see with my flashlight. Here, look up there at these trees. All right, well, the power is out. I'm here by myself, so I got no one to talk to, except you guys, of course. And no internet, so phones don't work, nothing. We're just gonna be hanging out. So I have, check this out. I actually have books here. I don't really know how to read them, but these are a couple stacks of books I actually brought this trip just for people that want to sit around and do this. I thought, oh, if the power goes out, people have something to do. And here we are.